Thinking about buying from Aerovane.com in 2026? You might want to hit pause before you pull out your credit card. I've taken a deep dive into Aerovane.com, and honestly, there are some serious red flags you just can't ignore. For starters, the site has a pretty rough reputation. Major review sites are filled with complaints. People say their items never show up, or the products are way below expectations. And if you try to reach customer service, good luck. It's almost impossible to get a real response. Another big warning sign. There's no clear physical address listed. All you get is a generic contact form. That's a classic move for sites that don't want to be held accountable if things go sideways. And just because you see that little HTTPS lock in the address bar, don't get too comfortable. That only means your info is encrypted. It doesn't mean the business itself is legit. So how can you protect yourself? Here's what I do before buying from any unfamiliar site, especially in 2026. First, pop the site's URL into Google Transparency Report to see if it's flagged for malware or phishing. Next, check the domain's age with Whois lookup. If the site's less than a year old, that's a major risk. And always search recent reviews on Trustpilot or Scam Advisor. If others are having a bad time, that's your cue to walk away. My honest advice? Don't give Aerovane.com your personal or financial information. If you've already made a purchase and things feel off, contact your bank right away and ask for a chargeback. Look, there are plenty of trustworthy online stores out there. Don't risk your money or your peace of mind. Stay sharp and shop